Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Speak English Confidently podcast. I'm Jam, and I'll be your host for tonight or today, whatever time you're watching this. And for today, we are with our friends. We have John. Hi, John.
Hi.
Erwin. Hello, Erwin.
Hello.
And Arvin. Welcome, welcome here, guys. It's good to see you guys
Hello.
again. Last week, you learned about Call the Shots. This week, we will learn about Learn the Ropes. Have you guys heard of that? Erwin, have you heard of that term before?
No, I haven't.
You haven't heard of that? You haven't used this
No,
before?
I haven't
But
used this.
based on your research, Erwin, what does that mean?
Okay. Learning the ropes means you're learning how a particular job or task is done.
You're learning how a particular job or task is done. Learning the ropes. Okay. That is what we will learn for today, and hope after this session, you guys will be able to use it and be confident when it comes to using this. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, it says here, let's practice. Say, learn the ropes. Let's hear that. How do they
Let's
pronounce?
practice. Say, learn the ropes.
Okay, let me try this. Can I try this first? Yeah. Okay, I'll
Yes.
click this.
Yes.
Learn the ropes. What is my progress here? What is my score? I need to know my score. Okay. Oh, it's just good. Okay, I need to speed up and my fluency. It needs more practice, and that is okay because the good thing about this is you can keep on repeating it as much as you want. All right, next. Okay, let's do this. We have to respond to this. You have good job. You have a new employee and your boss has asked you to help them get started. Let's go for John first. These are your options. Which one would you like to use?
The professional.
Okay, the professional one. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes, I can help them learn the ropes.
Do you sound
Nice.
confident? She sounds confident. See, she had a
Good.
good mark. Yay! We just need to speed
Speed
up a
Yay.
little
up.
bit. Oh my gosh, Flo is becoming more strict, huh? These days. I'm
Mhm.
kidding. That's very good. That's very accurate. You see? With the grammar, no worries about the grammar. Pronunciation just, needs improvement with them. Learn the. Okay, but good job, Mom. Good job, Joanne. Let us try the
Yes.
next one. Erwin, are you ready for this? Yes?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, nice work. Your company starts using a new software and you would like some help learning how to use it. Let's see the examples. Which one would you like to use?
Let's try the casual one.
Casual one. Let's try this. Okay, are you ready, Erwin?
Okay, let's go.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
When you have a sec, do you mind walking me through this? I could use some help learning the ropes.
You clap for Erwin, guys. You clap for Erwin. Let us wait for the results, guys. Let us wait. Oh, he got an excellent
Ooh.
score. Wow. Congratulations. It's Arvin's turn. Oh, it's not
Okay.
Arvin's turn.
Oh.
The lesson is done. Congratulations, everyone. So, guys, I hope you guys learn how to use or start to use the term learn the ropes. Okay, this week. I hope you guys can practice this, and you can practice this through Flow. What we're using right now is Flow. Okay, all you have to do are Erwin is how. How would they download this?
You can
It's
download it in
right
the
here,
link down below.
link below. Okay. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for listening and watching, everyone. Next week, what will be our term, Erwin?
That's going to be Saved by the Bell.
Saved by the Bell. Are you guys familiar with that? Yeah?
Yes, we use that a
Yes.
I
lot when
think I
we're
know
late.
that ever since I was in grade school. Okay. Thank you guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye, guys.